How to lock any app on iPhone iOS 17. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Firstly, make sure you have updated your iPhone software version to iOS 17. Once you do that, you will be good to go. Now launch your Shortcuts app. This is the default app on your device. If you cannot find this app on your device, you can launch your App Store, search for the app Shortcuts and download it. Once you download the app, launch it. You will land to this kind of page. Automation. Click on the option of New Automation. Now different options will appear. Scroll down, find the option App. Once you find it, open it. Now check in for the option of Is Opened and then check in for the option of Run Immediately. Likewise, click on the option of Choose. With that, you're gonna find different app options available in your device. Select the app that you want to lock. I'm gonna lock App Store. After you check in for it, click on Done. Now click on Next. Now here you will see this option of New Blank Automation. Click on this option. Now click on the option of Add Action. At the top you will see the search box. Over there, type in Log Screen. After this option appears, click on it. Now you can click on the option of Done. Just for that, I have logged App Store. Let me show you. I'm gonna close this and launch my App Store. You can see that my Face ID has been enabled, or I will need to type in my passcode. So this is how you can easily lock any app on iPhone. Applying the same process, you are able to lock any app in your device. Well, that's the wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.